Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix tag people option not showing on Facebook post. Let's see how to fix this problem following all steps. Do not skip. Go to Google Play Store. Search Facebook app. Update Facebook app. Go to phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Search Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on manage space. Tap on delete. Now go to Facebook. Now tag people option showing on Facebook post. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.